In front of me is Samsung Tab S10 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and clicking Connections. Then you need to select Bluetooth and use the switcher at the top to activate it. Following that, just wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Then hit pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!